Hi guys, I want to take a second and define collaboration. Here at the SEEDSPARK CoLAB, we've done extensive research on the art of collaboration to the extent we have now a very defined definition we've been utilizing for the last couple of years, and I'm happy to share that with you. The definition that we maintain for true collaboration is the unique value produced from the combination of two or more people, places, and things. And the reason that we utilize that definition is the awareness that we have that true collaboration comes from combining two or more things. We define them as people, places, or things because, as you would expect, things cover most everything. People are a lion's share of what we do, entrepreneur to entrepreneur most specifically, and places are, we've all heard the old adage, location, location, location. So with our global reach, we deal with entrepreneurs all over the world, and sometimes they have the right idea, the right team, but they're in the wrong market. So giving them access to another reach partner in another market is, as you would guess it, the true definition of collaboration. Success happens when you leverage true collaboration.